wanted to fly an amazing story. Pip, a young penguin, longed to fly like the albatrosses soaring above. He flapped his flippers tirelessly, leaping off icy mounds but always landing with a thud. One day, he met a wise old albatross. "Why do you wish to fly?" the bird asked. "To touch the clouds," Pip said. The albatross chuckled. "Your flippers may not lift you skyward, but they glide you through the ocean's depths. Explore your skies below the waves." Taking the advice, Pip dived into the sea, discovering coral palaces and shimmering fish. He realized he was born to fly underwater. Moral: embrace your unique abilities. Thank you for watching.